What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. For all you returning subscribers out there, thank you for your support. For all you new people out there, you just made the single greatest decision of your internet careers. Anyways, my name is Brian, this is my brother Kyle, and we are Vega 2. We're bringing you guys daily entrepreneurship content from two people just trying to make it in the world. We're both college students. I'm 21, he's 19, and we have a long future ahead of us, and we're just here to document it and show you guys what's going on with our lives.
Alright guys, so yeah, this is the greatest decision in your life watching this video right now. And so basically this video is going to be dedicated to private labeling, okay? And we're going to start this out with what is private labeling. So basically private labeling on Amazon is just taking any product and putting your logo on it, okay? People think of a logo and they think of some super creative, fancy thing.
This fancy little bear we got going on.
People think something
here.
like that, but no. It could just be your initials, KT. It could just whatever your initials are. It could be ZX. I don't know. You just put your initials or just some little image that's not copyrighted on the side of your product. And there's many benefits to this. One of the benefits is basically you can not have hijackers. And what a hijacker is someone who steals your Amazon listing to sell a product that's just copying you for a cheaper price. And they take over this thing to the right called the buy box, which means, so let's say for example, you're selling a fidget spinner for $15. This person could put one up under your listing for $14.99. However, if you have your logo on this fidget spinner or on the packaging and you can prove to Amazon that you have a brand and that it is on the packaging, then this other person will not have the same product as you. And so you basically contact seller support and you can get their product wiped out and removed just by contacting them and showing them a picture of their product and your product next to each other, yours with the logo on it. And this is just a really, really good, beneficial thing that all of you should do.
What my partner over here just described is the most basic thing you could do with private labeling with Amazon, but there's definitely some more steps you can take if you're feeling like upping your game a little bit, if you know what I mean. For example, you could do what we did and form an LLC, so actually forming a business.
That's optional though.
Yeah, no, I'm running you through your options, so you don't have to do it.
You don't need to do that. It costs a little bit of money, but it's recommended.
We live in Connecticut, and for me, for us, it was actually $1,000 to do it, which is fucking ridiculous. Yeah. Absolutely ridiculous, because in some states you can do it for like $150 to $200. So that's definitely one of your steps. And what goes along with that, guys? Well, if you form an LLC, depending on which tax bracket you decide to form it under, you get added tax benefits, and then you also have protection because you have an actual company. And
so basically lower taxes.
Yeah, lower taxes.
That's all I gotta say.
Yeah, okay.
It's lower taxes.
Lower taxes, and you're protected from people trying to sue you. Simple as that.
Yeah, lower taxes, there's just many benefits to it. But you guys should not worry about this.
No.
Honestly, just get a logo and just get your product up for your first product. You don't even need to spend the $500, $200, or $1,000, whatever it is in your state to get this LLC. It's not that necessary, but if you're a big time seller, which we hopefully are on the track to being that fairly soon, it'll just save you a lot of money. But as I've always done, and you guys should do, is pretty much just do what you can now and just worry about all the legal things later. So worry about taxes and stuff after you've already been a successful entrepreneur.
After you made the money.
Yeah, exactly.
All right. So you guys might be
Yeah, you got it. Yeah.
Okay. So you guys might be wondering, where do I get my logo from? Because as he mentioned before, it could be some fancy looking polar bear or something really simple. So
something like this here, North Face, or wherever it is, logo or something. Or Adidas. My jacket's got marks on it, but
so what you're gonna do, guys,
could be something like that,
is go on this website called Fiverr.com. Not sure if you've heard of it. They've been stepping up their advertisement game recently because they acquired some other smaller company. But basically, it's a website where you can get anyone to do anything for as low as $5. Yes, it does exist. It's a great website. That's personally where we found the person who we contacted to make our logo. And we've used it for some other things. So guys, let me get into the video and show you where to go and show you what to do.
Alright guys, so let's jump right into it.
That's getting cut. That is 100% getting cut.
All right, guys. So step one is go to Fiverr.com. Okay. And so, like we said before, this website is where people will do all kinds of services, usually a really good job. You could check their reviews like down here. And basically, they will do all types of internet activities. Like they'll do like SEO, PPC, box designs, logo making for you. And so I'm going to show you, for example, a package design. You look up package design. All right, wait, one second. Ooh, gonna have to blur that out. All right, so let's say you want a package design for your private label product. Let's say, you're gonna like make something. So, let's click right here. Starting at $15, I will design an eye-catching product package design.
721 reviews, 5 stars.
Yeah, so this person does a good job. Here's some examples of their stuff. They'll just make you like a really like beautiful, good-looking package. And so, okay, let's say you like this person. Yeah, so you can just go basic for $15, and in 4 days they will send you your package design, which you will send to your supplier then if you would like to custom private label your item. And so it's just really easy to do. Also, let's say you just want a simple logo. Here's one for $25. I'm sure you could find it from just like $5 on here, but they'll just make you like a nice basic logo for your company.
Ours, I think, was 30 to 40, just because we wanted to spend some extra money. We were very happy with the way ours came out. Not going to show you guys, because I don't want you to find it in our store, but it came out really nice. And another great part about Fiverr is you can read right here where it says 2 revisions. I think if you pay more for some, they'll give you unlimited revisions. That just depends on who you're buying it from. But they give you revisions, which is nice.
One revision, 2 revisions. So basically, let's say you don't like your logo. It looks like absolute garbage. You can just tell them like some inspiration. Let them know what you want. And if they make a terrible logo, you can say like it's terrible, like redo this. And if they do a bad job, you can actually get a full refund or give them bad feedback. But obviously, like this guy is good. Probably he's got a lot of reviews. I think he's got a lot of reviews. Doesn't really look like it, actually. No.
It's just a random one we clicked on. It's fine.
Yeah. But yeah, guys, basically this is all you do. It's real easy. So if you liked the video, leave a like. Comment what you guys want us to make our video on. If you want to know anything about Amazon, we got it all. We know a lot of information for this. We're just trying to help you guys out. So we really, really appreciate you if you subscribe. And just for watching this video, we really appreciate you. So please, please subscribe down below. Also, we'll be becoming very active in our Facebook group, which is going to be down in the description below. There we go. And join the group, and we will give you many, many free perks, which will be located in the private group. So join that group, subscribe, like, leave a comment. Thank you guys for watching. Peace.